A duckling was about to be crushed, alone on the highway. So small she couldn't even fly. Cars swerved, horns blared. This girl didn't think. She just ran and grabbed the duckling. She thought she'd keep the duckling for a day, maybe two. But then it followed her everywhere. Through storms, through seasons. She watched its feathers change, watched her take her first real swim. And when she finally spread her wings, she didn't fly away. She stayed. Because sometimes we don't rescue them, they rescue us.